Question number 1. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The correct answer is option C, Japan. Question number 2. What is the longest river in the world? The correct answer is option B, Nile River. Question number 3. Which is the smallest country in the world? The correct answer is option A, Vatican City. Question number 4. What is the currency of Germany? The correct answer is option B, Euro. Question number 5. Who wrote the famous play Romeo and Juliet? The correct answer is option D, William Shakespeare. Question number 6. What is the largest ocean in the world? The correct answer is option D, Pacific Ocean. Question number 7. What is the national flower of Japan? The correct answer is option A, cherry blossom. Question number 8. Which country hosted the 2024 Summer Olympics? The correct answer is option B, France. Question number 9. Which planet is known as the red planet? The correct answer is option C, Mars. Question number 10. Which African country has the highest population? The correct answer is option B, Nigeria. Question number 11. Who is known as the father of modern physics? The correct answer is option A, Albert Einstein. Question number 12. What is the name of the world's largest desert? The correct answer is option D, Antarctica desert. Question number 13. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The correct answer is option A, Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 14. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations? The correct answer is option A, New York. Question number 15. What is the capital of Russia? The correct answer is option D, Moscow. Question number 16. What is the full form of WHO? The correct answer is option B, World Health Organization. Question number 17. What does www stand for in a website browser? The correct answer is option B, World Wide Web. Question number 18. What is the capital of China? The correct answer is option C, Beijing. Question number 19. Which is the largest rainforest in the world? The correct answer is option C, Amazon rainforest. Question number 20. Which element has the chemical symbol O? The correct answer is option A, oxygen. Question number 21. What is the official language of Brazil? The correct answer is option A, Portuguese. Question number 22. How many states are there in India? The correct answer is option B, 28. Question number 23. What is the name of India's national currency? The correct answer is option A, rupee. Question number 24. Which is the largest state in India by area? The correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Question number 25. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is option A, Indira Gandhi. Question number 26. Which Indian river is considered the holiest? The correct answer is option C, Ganga River. Question number 27. Where is the headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India? The correct answer is option B, Mumbai. Question number 28. Which is the smallest state in India by area? The correct answer is option B, Goa. Question number 29. In which year did India become independent? The correct answer is option C, 1947. Question number 30. Where is the Indian city of Golden Temple located? The correct answer is option B, Amritsar.